Over the course of the last few years, it was determined to realign academic advising at UCF. This realignment provided the opportunity to establish the Knights Major Exploration and Transition Center. We are committed to working with our undergraduate students during their major exploration process in choosing the most appropriate major based on their talents and passions. We assist them in exploring their strengths, and once the student determines the most appropriate major, they are referred to their college advising office. If a student is in an undeclared designation at the start of their academic experience at UCF, professional academic advisors in the center will work with these students during their major exploration process. We also work with undeclared students returning to the university and students redirected from other majors. The Knights Major Exploration and Transition Center also works with any undergraduate student seeking assistance and support in their academic pursuits. Our professional and peer staffs assist each student in identifying any barriers to their success and support and empower the student in making appropriate choices during their undergraduate experience. The Think 30 campaign explains the importance of completing 30 credit hours each year for a timely graduation. The recruitment and sustainability efforts for both Phi Eta Sigma and Tau Sigma honor societies are also facilitated through the Knights Major Exploration and Transition Center.